Any tips on encouraging employees to post and engage on LinkedIn? So this was a good question we had through and something that I get asked a lot as well. So you can use the notify employees feature, which is built in on LinkedIn. So once you've posted something to your company page, just use the three dots and notify employees. So you can only do that if you're an admin. That's the nice way just to make sure all of your employees are getting an email about that. You could also utilize other formats. So we really encourage using weekly emails where you spotlight on the best content that you've uploaded that week. Maybe even give some of your employees a shout out for some of the posts that they've done. You could even have employee of the week or social media post of the week and incentivize it. We've certainly found from including weekly emails in some of our client strategies that their engagement and visibility overall on LinkedIn is on the rise. Another thing that I would recommend doing is training your employees. So a lot of people don't get involved in LinkedIn because they don't know what the rules are about talking about their company or employer. They don't want to ruffle any feathers or break any rules. So if you actually train your employees, maybe face to face or in a webinar format, and just give them confidence and tell them a little bit more about what would help the business to grow, then that will really encourage more people to use their LinkedIn. And then, of course, engaging with their content as well. So if someone posts something brilliant on LinkedIn, why not share it from the company page or at least comment on it? Because that will really show them that this kind of content is received well, and you could give them a shout out as well in your weekly email.